Miami hoe. The Miami hoe. Like, why would I be with a nigga that beat me up? You think I'm gonna be with a nigga that beat me up? Hey.
She don't need me. It don't get no better when I first met her. She was rocking that CC. She a supermodel, I swear, little baby belong on TV. And then I got her, I swear, little baby, that she ain't gonna leave me.
All we know here is the win. Fabulous going with the win. All of this one of a kind, but if I order it, get it again. I see all this pretend party. I ain't beginning to end.
Hey y'all, what's good? It's your girl Norrasia B, or whatever you want it to be. And today for y'all, I'm gonna vlog. And basically like a little girl ready with me. So today I'm supposed to be going out to dinner and to eat. So I'm probably just gonna vlog that whole little experience and show you guys how I get ready and get cute. I don't know if I'm gonna wear makeup or not, because I haven't been really wearing makeup lately because it's like summertime and I've just been like quarantining and stuff. So I don't really know if I'm gonna like do any makeup, but we'll see. But I already laid down my hair basically, and this is all my hair. But I laid down my hair and my edges already because I'm going to do like a ponytail look and probably like the little bubble ponytail look. That's what I'm thinking about going for. Now, I don't really know what I'm going to wear today, but I'll just take you guys through that whole little getting ready and trying to find an outfit, you know, as a stylist and stuff, how I find my outfits and how I, you know, coordinate colors and stuff just to like figure out my fit or whatever. But yeah, stay tuned. It's gonna be a fun night. I'm gonna be with the girls and, you know, a little bit of my family, so it should be a really fun and interesting vlog. So stay tuned, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and don't forget to like this video and comment. I'm gonna try to like fix up my closet right now and organize it. So this is the before of my closet. I'm about to try to organize it and get it together because I kind of want all black hangers. And like I wanted the hangers that don't move. So yeah, we're about to organize my closet a little bit, and I'll just probably bring you guys through that whole little process. So I picked up some hangers today, some black hangers, because I want all of my new stuff. That's what I usually hang on the hanger. And like my stuff that I already wore like probably twice or 3 times, I put it in my drawers. So I'm about to just hang up all the new clothes that I got just to organize my closet. So I'm just gonna show you guys once I'm done hanging up everything, what it looks like.
I mean, down my sock can't hold my block with it. I don't like that shit. Young turn, they can't watch no bitch. My friends don't like no bitch. Limo 10 off.
Got my hangers, so I'm ready to hang up all my new clothes and get them out the way.
Buying a used car could be
Gang, gang, he gonna go to war for it. Y'all, before I recorded this, my phone almost fell on my face. Child, I would have just ended the whole video. But I took a nap, so now I'm about to just start getting dressed to go out. That nap was so good. And every time I take a nap, before I take a nap, I start watching How to Get Away with Murder. Like, I need to just finish it while I'm up. Like, the show is too good. I start watching, then I take a nap, then I wake up and be irked that I missed what I saw. Like, but yeah, I'm laying down, about to get up, start getting myself together. I'm just gonna take y'all through this whole get ready process. See the bonnet, and y'all gonna see what's under the bonnet real soon. So I just got a snack, the weirdest stuff, some baby bell cheese and crackers, because I need a snack before I go anywhere. Like, it's like I need to eat before I go eat or wherever I go. So we gonna get this poppin', bro. Ooh. As y'all can hear, my sister is being loud and obnoxious. If y'all never had this, then I don't know what to tell y'all. Every time I fall asleep, I don't even know what I was about to say. I don't even know. I really don't. Every time I fall asleep, my head is messing up. Like, but I know the top is laid, honey. The top is laid. That's all that matters. Let me eat my snack. Yes, we took off the medication. So I figured that I probably won't mirror. I probably won't wear makeup tonight. I don't know, like, I don't know what's given. I haven't really been wearing makeup in a long time. But, because I was going to talk to y'all while I do my makeup. But I was like, what if I don't wear makeup? Well, I'm going to talk to y'all. But I guess I can talk to y'all while I'm eating my little snack. So, I'm just going to answer one little question about how did I get into fashion, styling, and stuff like that. I'm going to answer that on this vlog. But I know y'all probably tired of watching me eat, so I'll just talk to y'all later and when I get dressed.
On an agreement. Yeah, they say time's undefeated. I'ma beat up.
So today is Saturday and I'm at a restaurant. I didn't go out yesterday, but I am at a restaurant today. So I will show y'all what I'm eating. I'm at this restaurant called Revolution. But yeah, I'll show you what I'm eating. Stay tuned. I'm probably gonna get some lamb or something like that. But I'll be back.
I'm allergic.
Well, we can take that off. I mean,
But you don't get it. You can't give me another vegetable besides.
no, it's like a little garnish, not much.
So first we have calamari, and it's garnished with a little leaf and a little bit of, I guess, some marinara sauce on it or something like that.
Real lemon on it. The real lemon make it great.
There's my mother being extra. Guys, I got some shrimp scampi and lamb chops, Brussels sprouts. So today is Sunday and we're having family brunch. So all the family is over and we're gonna just have brunch and drink mimosas and stuff like that. So let me show y'all the table. We have mimosas, a little dessert, watermelon, potatoes, shrimp, bacon, sausage, turkey and beef bacon, steak, bagels, eggs, more watermelon and fruit. Brunch was hitting. We literally was sitting at brunch from 12 to 6 p.m. Like, we really was talking and chatting, and it just felt so good to just sit around and talk with my family and my loved ones and just catch up on everything and what everybody's going through and all our accomplishments and stuff like that. So, you know, if y'all haven't in a while, make sure y'all gather around y'all loved ones and tell them how much y'all love them and just cherish the moments you have with your loved ones, because life is really short. But besides that, I'm just trying to lay down and just catch a little nap before we go back out, because we're supposed to be going somewhere later. But yeah, we'll see how that goes. But I doubt I'll take a nap. So when I get up and start getting ready, I'll show y'all. So yeah, stay tuned to wherever I go tonight. Who knows?